Seniors, stop taking these 5 vitamins. They are destroying your leg strength. Senior health tips. Please leave 1 subscribe, 1 comment, and 1 like for this valuable video. And don't forget to share it on your social media. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for seniors. The 5 vitamins you should stop taking because they could be damaging your leg strength. Maintaining strong legs is vital for your independence and overall health, so it's important to know which supplements might be doing more harm than good. Stay tuned as we uncover these surprising vitamins and share expert senior health tips to keep you moving confidently and safely every day. 1. Beware of excess. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is widely known as the sunshine vitamin and plays an important role in maintaining bone health by helping the body absorb calcium. Many seniors take vitamin D supplements to prevent osteoporosis and fractures, which is beneficial in appropriate doses. However, taking too much vitamin D can actually have the opposite effect, especially when it comes to muscle strength and balance. Excessive vitamin D intake can lead to a condition called vitamin D toxicity, which may cause symptoms such as muscle weakness, fatigue, and even pain. In seniors, this muscle weakness can be particularly dangerous because it increases the likelihood of falls, a leading cause of injury and hospitalization in older adults. Muscle strength is crucial for maintaining balance, walking steadily, and preventing accidents. When vitamin D levels are too high, it can disrupt normal muscle function, making everyday movements more difficult and unsafe. Moreover, high levels of vitamin D can cause elevated calcium in the blood, hypercalcemia, which might contribute to muscle cramps and further impair mobility. Because of these risks, it's important for seniors to avoid self-medicating with high doses of vitamin D without consulting a healthcare provider. Routine blood tests can help monitor vitamin D levels to ensure they stay within a safe range. In summary, while vitamin D is essential for senior health, too much can be harmful. Seniors should take supplements cautiously, ideally under medical supervision, to protect both their bones and muscle strength and reduce the risk of falls. Want me to do the same for the other vitamins? 2. Limit vitamin A. Intake. Vitamin A is an essential nutrient that supports vision, immune function, and skin health. Many seniors include vitamin A supplements in their routine to maintain overall wellness. However, taking high doses of vitamin A can have unintended negative effects, especially on bone health and muscle function. Research shows that excessive vitamin A intake may lead to weakened bones by interfering with the body's ability to maintain bone density. High levels of vitamin A have been linked to increased risk of osteoporosis and fractures in older adults. This happens because vitamin A can stimulate bone breakdown while inhibiting bone formation, tipping the balance toward bone loss. For seniors whose bones are already more fragile, this can increase the risk of serious injuries from falls or minor accidents. In addition to harming bones, too much vitamin A may negatively impact muscle strength. Muscle function is critical for mobility, balance, and independence. When muscle strength declines, seniors face a higher risk of falls, which can lead to hospitalizations and reduced quality of life. Since vitamin A is fat-soluble and stored in the body, it's easier to accumulate to toxic levels if supplements are taken excessively over time. Therefore, it's important for seniors to avoid high-dose vitamin A supplements unless specifically recommended by a healthcare professional. In summary, while vitamin A is vital, seniors should limit their intake to avoid damaging their bone health and muscle function. Consulting a doctor before taking vitamin A supplements can help keep intake safe and balanced. Would you like me to continue with the next vitamin? 3. Avoid overusing calcium supplements. Calcium is well known for its crucial role in building and maintaining strong bones, making it a popular supplement among seniors aiming to prevent osteoporosis and fractures. However, while calcium is essential, overusing calcium supplements can lead to unintended problems, especially when it comes to muscle function and mobility. Taking too much calcium can cause an imbalance in the body's mineral levels, which may result in muscle cramps and spasms. These cramps occur because calcium plays a key role in muscle contraction and relaxation. When calcium levels are too high, it can disrupt normal muscle signaling, causing painful cramps that interfere with daily activities like walking, standing, or even sitting comfortably. Furthermore, excess calcium can sometimes lead to the formation of calcium deposits in soft tissues or blood vessels, which might reduce overall mobility and increase stiffness. This can make movement difficult and uncomfortable, increasing the risk of falls or injuries in seniors. Another concern is that high calcium intake, especially when taken alongside certain medications, can lead to kidney stones or impaired kidney function, indirectly affecting energy levels and physical performance. It's important for seniors to get their calcium levels checked regularly and to discuss supplementation with a healthcare provider. Many people can meet their calcium needs through diet alone without needing high-dose supplements. In summary, while calcium is vital for bone health, overusing supplements can cause muscle cramps and reduce mobility. Seniors should aim for balanced calcium intake and avoid excessive supplementation to maintain both strong bones and healthy muscle function. Would you like me to write the next one about iron or vitamin E? 4. Skip unnecessary iron supplements. Iron is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in transporting oxygen throughout the body and supporting energy production. For seniors diagnosed with iron deficiency anemia, iron supplements can be a lifesaver. However, taking iron supplements without a clear medical need can cause more harm than good, especially when it comes to muscle health. Excess iron in the body can promote inflammation, which negatively affects muscle strength and overall function. Inflammation can cause muscle fatigue, soreness, and weakness, making it harder for seniors to stay active and maintain their independence. Over time, chronic inflammation can contribute to muscle loss and reduced mobility, increasing the risk of falls and injuries. Moreover, iron overload can lead to oxidative stress, a harmful process where excessive iron generates free radicals that damage cells, including muscle tissue. This oxidative damage can accelerate muscle deterioration and impair recovery from minor injuries or exercise. It's also important to note that taking iron supplements unnecessarily can cause side effects such as constipation, nausea, and abdominal pain, which further reduce quality of life. Because iron needs vary widely among individuals, it's essential for seniors to get their iron levels tested before starting any supplements. Only those with confirmed iron deficiency or anemia should take iron supplements under medical supervision. In summary, avoid taking iron supplements unless prescribed by a healthcare professional. Unneeded iron can cause inflammation and oxidative stress, damaging muscles and reducing strength, which is especially harmful for seniors striving to maintain mobility and independence. Would you like me to do the last one on vitamin E next? 5. Reduce vitamin E overconsumption. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also supports immune function and skin health, making it a popular supplement among seniors. However, while moderate vitamin E intake is beneficial, overconsumption of this vitamin can have unintended negative effects on muscle repair and overall strength. Taking large doses of vitamin E supplements may interfere with the body's natural muscle repair processes. Muscle repair is essential for maintaining strength, especially in seniors who need to recover efficiently from daily activities, minor injuries, or exercise. Excessive vitamin E may disrupt the delicate balance of antioxidants and other signaling molecules involved in healing damaged muscle tissue, slowing down recovery and reducing muscle performance over time. Additionally, very high doses of vitamin E have been linked to an increased risk of bleeding because vitamin E can act as a blood thinner. This raises concerns for seniors who may already be on blood-thinning medications, potentially leading to bruising or other complications that affect mobility and health. Vitamin E is fat-soluble, meaning it can accumulate in the body if taken in excess. This makes it important for seniors to avoid self-medicating with high doses of vitamin E supplements without medical advice. In summary, while vitamin E is important for overall health, seniors should avoid overconsumption to prevent interference with muscle repair and maintain strength. Consulting a healthcare professional before taking vitamin E supplements ensures safe and balanced intake tailored to individual needs. Would you like help with anything else? Conclusion. In conclusion, while vitamins are important for senior health, taking certain supplements in excess can harm leg strength and overall mobility. Excess vitamin D, vitamin A, calcium, iron, and vitamin E may cause muscle weakness, cramps, inflammation, or interfere with muscle repair. Seniors should avoid self-medicating with high doses and always consult healthcare professionals before starting any supplements. Maintaining a balanced, monitored vitamin intake is key to protecting muscle health, preventing falls, and staying active and independent. Stay informed and take control of your health for stronger legs and a better quality of life.